Hey, kill me on the block, baby, what? Kill me on the block, baby. 32 shot Glock, baby, what? 32 shot Glock, baby.
Welcome to Hikaru Tutorials. In this video we'll see how to make a sample Python game using the pygame library. So to subscribe to continue the channel, let's get started. Okay, now we'll see how to download the Python language. So please check if the pip is active to download the pygame library. So now we'll see how to download the pygame library. So click Windows R and write cmd. Okay, then you'll open the command prompt. In the command prompt we'll write this command as pip install pygame. So now we'll see how to make the first game window. I import some assets and I'll give you all of the assets in my GitHub. You'll find the GitHub in the description. Also you'll find my every game, the link of my every game in the description. So just right there, import pygame as pg. So now we need to init the pygame library, pg.init, and screen setting will write like that, something like pygame or pg.display.sim mode, and we'll write size. The size we will set size like something like 800 and 600 like that. So now we'll make the game loop while true, something like while the program is running, and here we'll write like that to update and refresh the scene. We'll write pg.display.update like that. Let's go. Now we'll go after the while loop, after the game loop, we'll write like that. So now we'll create a variable named clock equal to pygame.time. Okay, pygame.time.clock. Okay, now we'll go to write something like that. No, I need to replace the pygame with pg. So now we'll back to the while loop or the game loop, and we'll write like that clock.tick, and we'll write the frame rate or the frame per second, something like 16. And now we'll try to run the game. So you can't exit, you can't do any action. You need to exit with Alt F4 or close this program and stop the processor. So now we'll create a new variable name running equals true, and we'll replace this true on the while loop by running. No. Okay, we'll go and we'll replace this true by with the name of the running variable, like the running 2 points. So right now we'll create a for loop and the while loop for event pygame.event.get, but after I'll say something for you. Why we'll create the for loop? Because for you are going to check if running equal to true, and if running equals to true, you're going to do the action if you will press the shutdown if event type, if the type of the event equal to pygame.get, then running equal to false. If running equals to false, then the while loop gonna be stopped, and something like that if you will press the shutdown button. So now we'll replace pygame with pg like that, here and here. So now let's go and we'll write running equal to false like that, false. So go out of the while loop and write pygame.get, and now we'll try it again. So now we don't have any bug and oh no, we have a problem. We need to replace the pygame with pg. Okay, so run the game again, and we don't have any problem. We can exit easily. So clear. About now we'll see how to make a sample icon for the game. So just we'll go here, and we'll write like the icon. No, okay, okay. To make an icon, we need to import the sample image to old sample image. So icon equal to pygame.image.load, and like that path. So we need to replace the pygame with pg, and here we'll write like the path, something like images and the name with the extension of the image, something like png and gpg and gpeg, and we by with something like that. So here write pygame display this icon and the name of the variable, something the name of the variable is icon. So write icon like that, run. So now you can see the icon. So now we'll see how to make how to change the title of the game. So now we'll write pg.display.set caption like that. We'll write string like the any name, something like pygame tutorials, and like that. So now we need to run the game and pygame tutorials. But now we'll see how to change the background color. So now we'll create sample variable name, any name, something like this name, or you'll write start bg color. So now we'll write the white color is 255, 55, 255, 255, and now we need to write like that. We need to make it like a variable window equal, and now we need to make like that dot fill and write the name of the variable of the color variable start bg color. Now we'll run the game. So about now we see how to make the first game window.